Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Today we are going to be doing a set of nails on the beautiful Sarah here, and I'm going to be doing some Christmassy nails, but I thought I would do something a little bit different, and I'm going to go for like a pink theme. So I'm going to do the nails pink. This is the pink I'm going to be using, and it's called Rekindle That Spark, and it is actually a glow one, so it glows in the dark to red, which is a Christmassy colour, but the actual colour will be like pink in like everyday life. It's got a shimmer to it as well. Now I'm going to be using these decals from the Queen of Decals. I think I'm going to use this one here and maybe like a holly or something. So I'm thinking I'm going to do one nail with like a blue and a yellow marble, because that's going to like, you know, kind of like match. So I'm going to use these two. They're not probably like the right yellow or blue, but they are really nice colours. Karen is the yellow and it's got like a shimmer to it. And then Obsessive Compulsive is like a nice frosty blue. So that is what I've got planned. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. So let's just get straight in and have a play. So the pinky finger is just going to be a full pink. I've done this quite thick because I'm not going to cap it. Now this next one is going to be the marble one. And what I'm going to do, guys, I am playing about with this camera, so I'm going to actually zoom it in. Whoa, that is so zoomed in. Is that too zoomed in? Or like, let me know what you think about like having it a bit more zoomed in on occasional nails and whatnot. Oh my god, you can actually see so much. Like you can see like dust and stuff that I can't really see with my bare eye. Right, so let's try and see what it looks like. This is going to be the marble nail. I'm trying not to get it too thick because we're going to need to cap it. And I don't want it to be like super, super thick. Ah, I like that. That's a really fun nail, that. It's not like mega Christmassy, but not everybody wants like, you know, like super Christmassy nails. And it is going to have like a bit of a Christmassy design on, so now just going to go and make sure that I've got like the whole nail is covered. And then the next two nails are just going to be pink. Just going to neaten up the cuticle area a little bit. So that is all the acrylic applied. I just need to cap the marble nail in clear. So my monomer has got a slight pink tinge to it now, but there's quite a lot left and I really don't want to waste it. So I am just going to use it and hope that it doesn't ruin this beautiful marble that we've achieved. I actually really like this marble. It's probably one of my favourite ones that I've done. I'm only going to be doing it really thin, so I've only got the tiniest bit. Right, we're all sorted. So once that's dry, I am going to start filing. So I've done all my filing and now I'm going to go in. I'm just going to zoom you out a little bit. I'm now going to go in and do the decals. So we're going to put a decal on the pink kit and on this one. And if you can see here, but it's like filed away the colour, which is really annoying. So I'm going to put it on and then I might have to try and do something with it afterwards, but I'm going to do this. I'm going to carry on as we are for now and see what it looks like afterwards, and I will be able to do something with it. But maybe that means maybe you are better off capping these colours, because I do feel like it just kind of, I don't know, I just don't feel right filing them. So I don't know, that's just me. But it's back on. So I'm just going to put this now. I'm going to use the Mia's Secret, so good if you would focus, luxury top coat, because this has got a slight sticky layer in it and that's what we need. I'm just going to put that on the pinky finger and the middle finger. But it just seems to like fade as well. It's not just those bits. I don't know if you can really see, but it's not as opaque. It's the same on the little finger as well, to be fair. Right, pop that into cure for a really quick, like 20-second cure. So this one is just gonna have this little holly. Just that, it's just gonna go there. This is so cute. I'm wondering if I can put something else, another decal at that other side. So maybe if I put this to the side a bit, that'll cover it a bit. And then maybe put something else down that side. Let's just get these applied first. So I'm just going to use a little bit of acetone to help stick these down. And then it just kind of melts that outer layer so that you can't see it. That's that one done. The thing is, when you are applying decals, you got to think that your nail's not a flat surface, so that's why they don't like stick perfectly. So doing this just really helps to get the whole of it stuck down. Just be really careful if you are going to touch the picture because it will melt away the picture. Right, so I'm just thinking, can I pop something at this side just to stop it from having that blank bit? Probably does look a bit weird, but at least it's covered that bit up, hasn't it? So I'm going to go in with the Blue Sky No Wipe Top Coat. I use Chiara Sky on Real People, but I like to use my Blue Sky for when I'm working on the hands. And then we're going to cure it. And this is the end result. I love the marble nail. Very happy with that marble. I think that is so, so cute as well. How cute is that? I love it. So that is the finished result for these nails. The decals are so cute. Like, I'm really, really liking these decals. If you enjoyed this video, my lovelies, please do give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you have hit that subscribe button and that you are subscribed. Let me know down below which nails you like the best out of this set. I think mine probably is the marble. I just really, really like it. They're not a super in-your-face Christmassy set, but we have got Christmas decals on here. So if you have got clients who don't want something that's so, so Christmassy, but something that's still a little bit in the Christmas spirit, then there you go. Especially if you've got someone who loves pink like me. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!